Question number 1. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? Option A. Union of States. Option B. A freedom nation. Option C. Bharat Varsha. Option D. None of the above. The right answer is option A Union of States. Question number 2. The system of judicial review originated in option A India, option B Canada, option C Russia, option D USA. The right answer is option D USA. Question number 3. From the constitution of which country the provision of federation was borrowed while framing the Constitution of India? Option A India, option B Canada, option C Russia, option D USA. Right answer is option B Canada. Question number 4. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C K.M. Munshi, option D B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is option B Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C K.M. Munshi, option D B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is option D B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. Who was the constitution advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Sir B.N. Rao, option D B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer is option C Sir B.N. Rao. Question number 7. Who was the President of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarv Dharm Samabhav? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, option C Sir B.N. Rao, option D B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question number 8. India is a republic because option A India is a democratic country, option B India is a part of parliamentary democracy, option C the head of state is elected for a definite period, option D all of these. The right answer is option C the head of state is elected for a definite period. Question number 9. Which the following countries has introduced direct democracy? Option A Russia, option B France, option C India, option D Switzerland. The right answer is option D Switzerland. Question number 10. Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? Option A Russia, option B France, option C India, option D UK. The right answer is option D UK. Question number 11. The Constitution of India was adopted on option A 26 January 1950, option B 26 January 1949, option C 26 November 1949, option D 31 December 1949. The right answer is option C 26 November 1949. Question number 12. The Constitution of India describes India as option A quasi-federal, option B a federation of state and union territories, option C a united states, option D union of states. Right answer is option D union of states. Question number 13. Which of the following is a feature to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Option A single citizenship. Option B dual judiciary. Option C three leads in the constitution. Option D a federal supreme court of interpret the constitution. The right answer is option D, a federal supreme court to interpret the constitution. Question number 14. Who among the following was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C M.A. Jinnah. Option D Lal Bahadur Shastri. Right answer is option B Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 15. The convention that wants a speaker always a speaker is followed in option A USA, option B France, option C UK, option D India. The right answer is option C UK. Question number 16. Indian Penal Code came into the operation in option A 1858, option B 1859, option C 1860, option D 1862. Right answer is option D 1862. Question number 17. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? Option A 396, option B 395, option C 399, option D 398. Right answer is option B 395. Question number 18. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the option A Act of 1861, option B Act of 1909, option C Act of 1919, option D Act of 1939. Right answer is option D Act of 1939. Question number 19. When was our national anthem first sung where? Option A 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. Option B 26th December 1942 in Calcutta. Option C 24th January 1950 in Delhi. Option D 24th January 1950 in Allahabad. Right answer is option A 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. Question number 20. The Constitution of India came into force on option A 27 December 1911, option B 26 January 1952, option C 26 January 1950, option D 26 November 1949. Right answer is option C 26 January 1950.